If you have a house in North Olmsted, Ohio, and you're looking to sell fast, easily, conveniently, and for a fair price, then this video is definitely for you. My name is Dave Perichin, and for over 14 years, my team and I have been buying houses in North Olmsted. And in this quick video, I'm going to share with you why so many sellers in North Olmsted prefer to sell to us as a direct buyer rather than going the traditional route of selling with a real estate agent or working with a traditional buyer that's got to qualify for some mortgage or some kind of bank loan or something like that. So first things first, when you sell to us, we're going to keep it very easy for you, and we're going to do that by buying the house in North Olmsted in its as-is condition. So that means you don't got to fix anything, you don't got to clean anything, you don't got to haul anything away, there's no trips to the Home Depot, there's no cleaning out the garage or mowing the grass. You don't have to come out of pocket at all. You don't got to hire a handyman here, and you don't have to haul anything away. You can take with you anything that you want out of the house, and then anything that you just don't need or don't want, you can simply leave behind and we'll take care of it for you. And what allows us to be a true as-is buyer is we're not having to qualify for a mortgage. We're not needing the approval of some type of mortgage lender or some type of mortgage bank, because that's what a traditional buyer does. And I'm here to let you know these are a lot of hoops that you need to jump through, and it can be very costly. So first and foremost, with a traditional buyer, not with us, but with a traditional buyer, if they have a real estate agent involved, that real estate agent is going to expect some commission out of this, and they might ask you for that. And if so, that's coming right out of your bottom line. It's money right out of your pocket. I'm here to let you know, you don't need a real estate agent to sell your house. Right? You can sell to a direct buyer. It's very easy. The entire process is very easy. Also, with a traditional buyer, they got to qualify for this mortgage. So this mortgage company, which is just a bank, and we all know the banks, they have their own best interests in mind, not yours. But the bank is going to send through this formal inspection. They're going to inspect every single outlet and light switch and ceiling fan and open and close every door. They're going to spend hours inside scrutinizing this house, coming up with pages and pages of things that are wrong with the house. And this could only be used against you. How could this benefit you? It's not benefiting you at all. This is only going to be used to get more discounts and expect you maybe to fix things, or they're going to want extensions, and it's taking too much time. And time is money when it comes to real estate. The more time that they're wasting with all this nonsense that they're making you go through with them, it's costing you money, because you got to pay for utilities, you got to pay for insurance, you got to pay for property taxes, and there's opportunity cost, because you should have had your hands on the money that you're getting from the sale a long time ago. And when it's tied up in this property, it's costing you money. So if you have a house in North Olmsted and you want to get a fair cash offer, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. I know it says Columbus in the website, but we're locals. I'm actually born and raised in the Cleveland area, and we're very familiar with houses in North Olmsted. So when we talk, it's a very easy conversation. There's never going to be any pressure or fake urgency. We just need to know when you want to close, and that's a big distinction here between us versus a traditional buyer. With a traditional buyer, their lender gets to choose the closing date. With us, you tell us when you want to close. So if you want to close quickly, we absolutely could make that happen for you. But if you need more flexibility and we got to set up a future date for you, we're happy to do that as well. But we're going to make you a fair cash offer on your North Olmsted house. If our offer works for you, great. We'll move forward and get this thing done. If our offer does not work for you, that's okay too. No bad taste in your mouth, no crime, no foul. We're simply going to shake hands and part as friends. We're not here to create pressure or anything like that. That's what you're going to get with these call centers, right? This call center located in some foreign distant land. They're hitting you with text messages and cold calls. They're trying to talk about your house in North Olmsted, even though they've never even been there before. That's not us. We're local, and we're going to treat you fair. So if you have a house in North Olmsted that you're looking to sell fast, easily, and conveniently, and for a fair price, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave Perichin. I look forward to speaking with you, and I look forward to working with you.